This is an Omnid, and this here is a driving Omnid. Now, an Omnid is an omnidirectional building block based on CubeSat technology. Here we have an Omnid with skis. You can see the interfaces are the same all around, and we can connect an accessory like a ski anywhere we want. We're going to stick it here, and there we go. Moving on, we have a flying Omnid. We just need to turn on the propellers, just like that, and there we go. Another accessory is this propeller face that we have here. We can stick this on the front very easily. And there we go, but we can just as easily remove it. However, accessories aren't the only thing you can connect to an Omnid. You can connect Omnids to each other, like that. And here is the third one. We're gonna put this one upside down, just like that. And to prove that, you can connect them in any shape, size, and configuration. We're gonna stick this one on the top, right there. Now, if you're wondering how this works, the plug-and-play nature is tied to the interfaces that are the same on every single side. Here we have the rings and the pins that are able to transfer power seamlessly, and here the green thing, that is the mock PCB that is able to transfer data. And with this, we're able to build something seamlessly. And then with this, you can integrate your payload in a plug-and-play manner into this